Hey everyone, welcome back to the Analytical Coding. In today's video, we are going to start learning DAX table manipulation functions. So these functions return a table or manipulate existing table. So I will explain summarize function in this video. Before explaining, let me show you what it actually looks like. So here we have a table with orders from different regions and category product. So here there are 50 rows of data. Now, when I go to the report view and here in this table, when I add the region, you can see we are getting only 4 rows, right? Because here it is grouping the data based on the region. Okay. Now, when I add the price column here, you can see it is getting aggregated. That is sum of price for each region. So that is price got aggregated for each region. So here we can assume this as SQL group by, right? So this is what summarize function also does. So let us see how it works. Summarize is a table function that help us to create summary tables based on one or more columns. So we can group our data and even add the calculated columns. So as I already told, think of it as SQL group by. So coming to its syntax, you can see here the first argument is the table. That is the table which we want to summarize. And the next we are having group by column. So we can provide any number of group by columns which we want to group by. So columns by which we want to group the data. And next you can see name and expression pairs. That is, if we want to add calculation like total sales, we define the column name and DAX expression here. So here even we can add any number of name and expression pairs. Okay. So this is the arguments and syntax of summarize, and coming to its return type. So it returns a new table with one row per unique combination of grouped columns and any calculated columns we define. So let us see an example to understand this clearly. As I told you, this function returns table. So we cannot directly add in a measure. So let us create a table with this function. So let us go to the table view, and here we have new table. So when we click on that, we have to enter the DAX function. So here we are creating a summary table using the summarize function. So summarize, what is the first argument? That is the table. So here we are having orders table. Okay. And what is the group by column that we want to use? So here I wanted to see the region. Okay. So I will be selecting the region. Now let us see what happens when I click on enter. So you can see all the regions, that is north, south, east, west, only 4 regions. So they are grouped. But we haven't added any calculation in the third argument, that is name and expression. We haven't given that. So that is why we are not getting any calculated column. So let us add that as well. But before that, so in the order table, we do not have direct sales price, but instead we have quantity and price. Okay. So what we have to do, we have to calculate quantity into price, and then we have to calculate the sum. So how can we do that? We know about the iterator functions, right? So here, let us calculate the average. Okay. So first thing we have to give the name of the column. So average sales. Okay. And then we have to write the expression. So here we are using average iterator function, and we have to give the table name, that is order table, and we have to write the expression. So here we are going to calculate quantity into price. Okay. So this is what we are going to calculate. So here in the summarize function we have order table, and we specified the group by column, that is region, and we have to give the name of the calculated column, and then what is the calculation we are going to perform. That is, we are going to perform the average based on the quantity into price value. Okay. So let us click on enter. So now you can see the average sales based on the quantity into price for each region. So that is what the summarize function returns. So assume it as a SQL query where we are writing select region, comma, average of quantity into price as average sales from order table group by region. So this is how summarize function executes. Okay. In the starting, I have shown you the table. That is, we have directly added the region and directly added the sales, that is price, which got aggregated. So now you may ask me that we can do that directly in the table visual, then why we have to create a table using the summarize, right? So when we create the same grouping using the table visual, we cannot reuse it in any other calculation. But when we create it using the summarize function, we can use this table in any other calculation. Suppose here we have region and sales. Okay, and we can also add another group by column. So here I am going to add category as well. So we can group by using the region and category. Now I wanted to see whichever region and categories are less than the overall average sales of the orders table. So firstly we have to calculate the average sales for overall orders table, and then we have to check this summary table for each region and category combination and check whether the average sales are less than the overall average. So how can we do that? Using the filter function. So let me add the filter function, and the filter function first argument is the table. So here summarize is returning the table. Okay, and comma, here we will be giving the filter expression, that is average sales, which we have calculated here in the summarize table, less than the overall average sales, that is average of order table, comma, quantity into price. So now what happens? So here the summarize function returns a table. So this is the table for region and category. And then we will be comparing the total sales with the overall average sales of the order table, and we will be returning only those rows whose average sales is less than the overall average sales. That is what we are going to perform here. So when I click on enter, so here before entering, here you can see we are having 12 rows, and when I click on enter, so you can see we are having only 8 rows. That is the rows which are having the average sales less than the overall average sales of the order tables. So here you can see we have used this summarize function and created a table, and we have passed this table expression for the filter function. Okay, so that's how summarize works. It is super useful when we want to create grouped tables for further analysis in Power BI. So if you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.